To register a new instructor, we click the Add Instructor button. Here we will fill in their basic details, their full name, their email address, and their phone number. Next, we select their city and finally their specialties as an instructor. Once all fields are complete, we click on Add Instructor. The system will automatically send an email to the instructor containing a temporary password they can use to log in for the first time. Once the instructor receives the email, they need to copy the temporary password and open the Mettis app for instructors. There, they will enter their email address and paste the password we provided. Upon clicking Log In, the system will ask them, for security reasons, to change the temporary password to a new one of their choice. They enter the new password, confirm it, and click Save Password. They just need to confirm their details, and that's it. Their instructor profile is now fully activated and ready to go.